Hello guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English. On 19th November, Friday, that is today, partial lunar eclipse will be observed in some parts of India and some parts of the world. In India, it will be observed as partial lunar eclipse, and so the Sutak time will not be valid. This lunar eclipse is special because this is happening after 580 years that much long eclipse will be there. So as per the Indian Standard Time, the eclipse will start at 34 minutes past 11 a.m. and it will end at 33 minutes past 5 p.m. in the evening. So approximately the duration of this eclipse would be 6 hours. And this is why this lunar eclipse is special, because the duration is the longest one after 580 years. Prominently in the parts of Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, this eclipse would be visible. Around the globe, it will be visible in Australia, South America, Eastern Asia, and some parts of the Pacific Ocean. During eclipse, there are lots of rules and regulations and some of the tips that a pregnant woman should follow. The number one thing is you should not see the eclipse by your naked eyes. This is the first rule. Also, you should not go outside from your house or from your office. Be in an enclosed environment. You should not face the lunar eclipse or the outside ambience when the lunar eclipse or any kind of eclipse is there. During the duration of the eclipse, eating and drinking anything is forbidden. As per the Hindu religion, a pregnant woman can also not go to the washroom. A pregnant woman cannot sleep. They all are considered to bring bad omen. To protect herself from the harmful radiation of the lunar eclipse, a pregnant woman is advised to smear the cow dung paste or tulsi paste or the chandan paste on her belly all around the stomach. This is said to protect the baby from the harmful radiation of the lunar eclipse. Pregnant women should avoid touching any pointed or the sharp objects like needles. If she is working in the kitchen, she should avoid touching the knives, the scissors, or any other pointed object. These all things are said to bring bad omen to the baby inside the womb. During the tenure of the eclipse, women should chant the mantras like the Shiva mantra, Chandra mantra, Gayatri mantra. This will help in reducing the effect of lunar eclipse. Now, when you are chanting these mantra, you have to keep the temple at home closed. You should not visit any temple because during the eclipse time, all the temples are closed. If you are chanting at home, you should not be doing it at your home temple. Keep it closed. You are also forbidden to touch any god's idol. Just chant them to bring some positivity and to avoid the harmful radiations effect. If for any reason you have to go out, as per the Hindu religion, it is advised to keep some tulsi leaves or the basil leaves with yourself, or you can take a coconut with yourself so as to protect you from the lunar eclipse effect. To protect the food and the water that is stored at home, as per the Hindu religion, it is advised to put the basil and the tulsi leaves all over the edible items so that they can be used later on. So these are the very basic things that you have to perform during the eclipse, and when the eclipse is over, you need to take bath, change all of your clothes. Then you have to sprinkle Ganga water on yourself and all around your house so as to purify it and to nullify the effect of the harmful radiations from the lunar eclipse. So friend, this is all. If you are religious and if you believe on all these things, there is no harm in performing these small activities. If you are coming to the channel first time, consider subscribing, like this video, share this video. We'll catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.